Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix a WhatsApp verification code not received. For example, if you have recently logged into your WhatsApp account after changing the device, now if you want to verify your device on WhatsApp, which means you want to get the verification for this and you do not get the verification code, then how you can fix that. I will recommend you to watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first thing, you have to check whether you have provided the correct mobile number which is connected to your WhatsApp, and you have to simply recheck that number again. If the number is correct and that notification or verification code is not received on your device, then you have to make sure that mobile SIM is working also. And if you still didn't get the verification code, the next thing you have to do is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode, and after that you have to turn it off again so that your network connection can be restarted. In this way you can get the verification code as soon as possible. If you didn't get the verification code, then you can apply for that again and you have to turn on the flight mode, and in this way you can simply get the verification code as soon as possible. But if you didn't get that verification code, then you can simply report it to the WhatsApp support team. For this you have to simply search for WhatsApp here, and after that you have to simply search for WhatsApp on Play Store, and here you can see the app support here, and here you can simply email them the problem to support team of the WhatsApp, and after that they will tell you the method or solve the problem for you as soon as possible. So you have to click on here email, and after that moreover you can also click on their website to connect to them. So in this way you can simply solve that problem for you as soon as possible. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.